So last week we posted a video about how I was able to create this model in Onshape, and then I was able to get the part machined out of aluminum 6061 thanks to our friends over at Xometry. And we got a lot of really good questions on that video, including what can we do to maybe save some money on that quoting process. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you some tips and tricks and some things we can do to save some money on the quoting process. So if you're not familiar with that video, be sure to take a look down below in the description. I've included a link, but the website is xometry.com, and you can go to xometry.com using any 3D CAD system and get custom manufacturing on demand. And this means that when you create a 3D model in your CAD system, you can upload it here and you can get it manufactured from a variety of manufacturing processes and from some high-grade materials. Now, if you are looking to save some money, you can also use coupon code TOBY40, and that will save you 40% on your first order. That coupon code is available until the end of the year, and you can take a look down below in the description for some more information on that coupon code. And you can use any 3D CAD system to generate your files for Xometry. But the cool thing is if you're using Onshape, you get the Xometry add-in, and it gives you the added benefit of doing some design for manufacturing checks. So in the world of machining, we really wouldn't want to have these sharp edges here. And the nice thing is when you use the Xometry Instant Quote tool here, the app in Onshape, you actually get some additional benefits beyond the Instant Quote. You also get some DFM checks. And so this is what we showed in the video last week, and I'll include a link to that video down below. But just as a quick review here, I'm sending up the file here through the app to get it instant quoted so I can find out how much this is going to cost to get machined out of aluminum. And when it's done, it not only gives me that instant quote, but it also gives me some feedback on how manufacturable this part is going to be in its current geometric state. And what I mean by that is, again, right here, these sharp edges, you probably want to avoid creating sharp edges like this because the end mill isn't really going to be able to get in here and hog that out. And so if we look here at the DFM checks, 9 of the 10 checks passed, 1 failed. The failure here is internal corners. If I click here on this preview window, I can rotate the model and I can see where there's a problem. So here you see it's telling me there's a problem here, some kind of a problem here with this edge. And then if I look down below, I actually get some additional feedback, like it says internal corners. This part has 4 sharp internal corners that will need to be filleted to be machinable, or need to be radii in order to be machinable. So I think it's really cool that Onshape and Xometry have developed this app that not only gives you an instant quote, but that also gives you some feedback on what it's going to take to get that part to be machinable. So let's go back here. I'm just going to click back in the app, and then I'm going to go over here and I'm just going to add those fillets. So we'll add a fillet in here on this edge and on this edge to make that fillet a little smaller. We'll make that 3/16 for that fillet size. And there we go. Now we've got a nice fillet running through there. And now let's click next, and get this thing quoted again. Now, like I said, when we posted the video last week, we had a lot of questions about the quoting process, about how much it's actually going to cost to get one of these brackets manufactured. And the initial quote that you get can be modified, can be updated to help you reduce those costs, especially when you're in kind of the early phases of prototyping. The other thing you want to remember is that this is a quote for one. We're just looking at a quote here for one, but a lot of times we're going to need to get more than one of these made. Like let's say I'm using this bracket on some type of a machine or like a conveyor system. I'm probably going to need 10 or 12 of these things in order to, to assemble it into the machine. So let's take a look here and see what we can come up with. Currently, the quote here is for $614 for one single part, and then that lead time is 6 business days. So let's click here where it says View Xometry Instant Quote, this button down here at the bottom. And now this is going to take us to the Xometry website, and this is where we can really dial in that quote. So for example, we could say, no, this part is not going to be ITAR or EAR controlled. So we'll say no there and continue. And currently what we're looking at here is we're looking at some different options depending on where we get this thing manufactured. So we've got the quote here for economy, which is going to be made internationally, $248 for one. We've got economy here in the United States. We've got standard, that's the 6 business days lead time, and then we've got the expedited lead time as well. So, depending on what it is that you need, is the machine down? Are you guys not able to produce anything, so you need these parts as soon as possible? Then maybe you could justify that expedited expedited cost. But if you've got a little bit more lead time, if you're still developing some of the other parts of the design, then maybe you could go with more of the economy cost here. And again, this is also a quote here for just one single quantity. So let's say we were to increase this to maybe like 12 instances. Now we're seeing that we are able to reduce that cost, because you want to remember that, you're going to be setting up the part in order to be machined. So you've got your setup costs, you've got your operator costs, and the more you're doing in batch, the cheaper it's going to be per part. So in this case, you can see that once we increase that quantity to 12, the total quote comes out here at $623, or about $52 per part. And I think that's much more reasonable than maybe the initial number we were looking at, which was I think it was the standard. We're getting that standard quote when we're in the app. So that was like $700 for one part. That might be a little bit harder to justify, but if you do have that extra lead time and you can get that cost down to $52 per part, I think we might be looking at a winner there. So, of course, guys, if you are looking to save some additional money, you could also use coupon code TOBY40 during your checkout of your first order. But I hope that this does answer some of the questions about the initial quote and what you can do to reduce the cost per part as you are quoting these parts to be machined. This example we gave last week was really just for a one-off, just to kind of show off the capabilities of Xometry. But in the real world, you're usually getting these things in quantity. All right, guys, as always, be sure to hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Let us know down below if you have any more questions. And thank you so much for all the great questions from last week. And we will see you in the next TooTallToby video.